Shoulda gave that bitch the fucking bust down uppercut. I would've fucked her ass up, man. We don't play that shit in fucking Play-Doh world. Real tough, man. I'm watching the damn video. You know, I guess she didn't want to load her damn fucking music down. Shoulda loaded it down because everybody on the goddamn bus don't want to hear your goddamn music. We don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Nobody wants to hear it. No, not me, not Corky, none of them motherfuckers. I don't know why she didn't turn down the goddamn music. That's why she got her ass fucking checked, had her against the motherfucking Play-Doh goddamn window. We don't play that. And I can tell by her eyes. I can tell by her eyes that she fucking Play-Doh soft. I can tell by her eyes. If you can't tell, I can tell. She soft as fucking gummy shit. But you know what? It is what it is. She got handled. She got that work. She gave it that work. And that was it. But yeah, Bumby TV, I'm back in the building. Shout outs to me. Shout outs to Play-Doh Nation. Shout outs to everybody. Fuck Legos. Fuck you, SpongeBob. Don't let me see you on the block. But y'all already know who it is. Your boy Bumby, holding it down. Back in the flash. Y'all already know. And if you got a problem with it, you can suck my Play-Doh balls, bitch.